If YouTube feels slower on Firefox, this video will show you a few quick fixes you can try right now to improve playback and browsing speed. In many cases, the issue is caused by an outdated browser, too many extensions running in the background, cached files building up, or hardware acceleration causing performance problems. The good news is that all of these are easy to check and fix in just a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. Now let's go step by step. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look to the top right corner and click the menu button. From the menu, click Help, then click About Firefox. Firefox will automatically check for updates, and if an update is available, it will download and install it. Keeping Firefox updated is important because updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and a better compatibility with websites like YouTube. After the update is done, restart the browser if it asks you to. Next, go back to the menu again. This time, click Extensions and Themes. Here, you'll see all the add-ons installed in Firefox. Go through the list and disable any extensions you do not really need. Pay special attention to ad blockers or other extensions that may interfere with video loading or page performance. If you're not sure whether an extension is necessary, you can temporarily disable it and test YouTube again. Sometimes just turning off one problem extension can make a big difference. After that, let's clear the cache. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. This opens the Clear Browsing Data window. At the top, click the timeframe dropdown and select everything. Then make sure only cache is selected. Untick all the other options so you do not remove anything you want to keep, like saved logins or history. Once cache is the only selected option, click Clear. This removes old temporary files that may be slowing Firefox down or causing YouTube to load incorrectly. Now for the last fix, we'll disable hardware performance settings that may be causing issues. Click the menu again and open Settings. In the Settings search bar, type Performance. You should see the performance options appear. First, untick Use Recommended Performance Settings. Then untick Use Hardware Acceleration when available. Hardware acceleration can help in some cases, but on certain systems, it can actually make YouTube feel slower or glitchy in Firefox. After changing these settings, restart Firefox and test YouTube again. At this point, your browser should feel smoother and YouTube should respond faster than before. If it still feels slow, you can repeat these steps one by one to see which fix made the biggest difference on your device. And that's it. You've now updated Firefox, disabled unnecessary extensions, cleared cache, and turned off hardware acceleration to help fix YouTube lag and slow loading issues. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick Firefox and YouTube troubleshooting guides.